and thank you for choosing Blue Skies Drone Rental. In this video, I'll show you how to rent a drone on our website. For this example, we'll be using the Trinity F90 Plus. To find what we are looking for, let's hover over Rentals and select the corresponding category for the type of drone we need. In this case, we will choose VTOL and fixed wings. Here we can see the available options and the price per day. Click on View Details to get started. Next, we can select our quick options for 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month rentals. Or we can pick a specific date range from this calendar view and then choose Apply. All rentals being shipped require a 3-day minimum. Below, you will also see the deposit amount required for the rental. Scrolling down, we will find the details of the drone we selected and some of its key features, as well as what's included in the box. Some rentals do require a mandatory training before renting. Please inquire about training for these specific models. Now that we've selected our drone, let's add it to the cart. A notification will appear in the top right confirming the selection, and then we will be redirected to our cart. Here we can add on any additional items we may need, such as additional batteries or different payloads. Now that we have everything we need, our cart total will appear down below. When you are ready, you can proceed to checkout to complete the order. On this next page, fill out your information and add any supporting documents from the options below, such as certificate of insurance and driver's license. Then choose your option for pickup or shipping. Confirm your order is correct on the right, add your payment method, and click the box to agree with the terms and conditions after you have read them. Then leave a digital signature below. Finally, select Place Order. Once the order has been processed, an automated email will be sent out as confirmation. Thanks again for choosing Blue Skies Drone Rental. Yeah, we got a drone for that.